Hi guys, welcome back. So this morning I and my baby we are in the bedroom playing, and I decided that I have to make some Ghana food. So these are the ingredients I will use for my Ghana food. So that's tilapia and kuka fish, banku flour, and my vegetables, pepper, tomatoes and onion and garlic. Guys, in Ghana you can use the local earthenware to grind the pepper and the tomatoes, but because here I don't have it here for now, I use my blender to kind of blend it, but not too smooth. So I added the tomatoes, pepper, onion, garlic, and so after adding the pepper, onion, garlic, I just grabbed my oil and added it to the pepper, onion for it to blend instead of adding water, because I don't need water in this process. So I added salt, a little bit of salt. This one is optional. You can blend it after that, you add your salt, or you can add the salt then you blend it together. So I use pause. I didn't do smooth. I pause it bit by bit. So I just pressed the pause button and it was able to do. So here I mix my banku flour already with water and salt and started stirring it, and this is the texture that I'm going in for. So I just put it in a low heat and be stirring it, if not the banku will burn. So while I'm also doing other things. So in this video guys, you'll be seeing a lot of Ghanaian food recipes, because it's not only the banku that I'm making other recipes for my husband and I, because we miss home food. So the banku can be eaten with okra soup, groundnut soup, palm nut soup, peanut butter soup, all kinds of soup that you have. Even you can eat it with light soup or pepper soup. So guys, I used the pause button for this tomatoes and pepper mix. I did not want it to be too smooth. So after that, I checked on the fish. I've already cleaned it, so ready to season it. So I started with the salt, a little bit of salt, and proceed with my black pepper and my cumin powder. These are the 3 ingredients I use to season this fish. So this is cumin powder is my everyday go spices, guys, because I can use this and salt for my soup or stew and I'll be okay. The stew will come out so nice and delicious. So here I pour the oil into the frying pan, but before then I put the fish in the fridge for some minutes. Yeah, so I just remove it from the fridge, and in fact the seasonings, the everything perfect. So I just put it in the oil. I did not want the oil to be too hot because I have a baby nearby me, so that it will just start splashing and hanging. So my banku too was also going on well. The banku is still on low heat because that's what I want my banku to be. I was not in a rush and I want it to cook in its own time. Yeah. So if you're a lover of Ghanaian food or any African food, please comment down below. Let me know the kind of food that you've eaten from Ghana, or you've tasted Ghana food wherever that you are. So the tilapia is ready, well fried, and I put it in this paper towel so that the oil will drain the oil. So here I put my tilapia immediately. This fish is too soft that if you don't take care it will split into the oil. So I gently turn it, and that is it. My first recipe is done. Banku and hot pepper. Guys, look at this food. Hey, this food, my husband and I, that's our favorite food. We love pepper, hot pepper and banku and fish a lot. Sometimes we eat it with chicken. So guys, if you are new here, check under my videos. You will see a lot of these recipes, Ghanaian recipes. choose any of them and try it and you like it. So this is the water we use our hands to eat most of African food. If you use spoon or fork, you will not enjoy most of the African food. So if you want to try Ghana food, make sure you have to learn how to use your hand to eat. So let's move to the next recipe. So this is tomatoes, pepper, onion, and I have two kinds of onions, red and white one. I pour it in a pot. I did not add any water, but you will see the magic that will come out from this. So I want to use this pepper, tomatoes, onion to prepare another Ghana sauce. That's tomato stew or tomato sauce. So you see the water has generated from the tomatoes. So if you want to cook your tomatoes for stew, don't add any water to it. Just put it in a pot, let it boil, and you can see the water that came out from it. You see, so I use this water to blend or add a little water to it and blend. So this is my washed and clean chicken. I'm adding my natural seasoning to it, and you can use any seasoning of your choice. Here I have paprika, I have cinnamon powder, I have thyme, Italian spices, I have cumin powder, a lot of natural things. It seems joining my husband here, we have stopped using Maggi also. So we don't use Maggi in this house. We use natural seasonings and salt. So this is the next thing. So I'm making stew, I'm making soup, and I'm making banku. You see? So this is the vegetables I'm using for my soup. That's eggplant. I have here the violet eggplant and cucumber and tomatoes and onion. So this is the meat for the soup that I'm stirring. Guys, I think I'll stop talking and you continue to watch this. Try one of these recipes and let me know which one that you have tried and which one you like best. Enjoy the rest of the videos. Thank you guys.